Breaking news here on The Day Trader. Polestar. I'll show you exactly how I made my money today on Polestar. What is Polestar? What's my position? How am I playing this stock? What part does it play in my portfolio? All that will be answered in this video. Polestar became public today. It was, of course, a GGPI. It was a SPAC until this morning, and now it's become officially Polestar Automotive, ticker PSNY. So what did I do with this stock? Well, I had it. I had an amount of shares with GGPI, only a small amount, just 30 actually. I'd already made money a few weeks ago with GGPI. I've traded it and invested on it several times, got in and out at different times, knowing that when a SPAC fully merges and becomes the company it is today, it does throw up a lot of uncertainty. We don't know where the stock is going. This is now Polestar. So I got back in again yesterday before the merger, and I got 30 shares of it. It popped up 20, and what did I do? I sold it after it had dropped 10%. So I made a 10% profit on this stock. Now, as you can see, the shares have gone back down again, and now it's starting to come up. So what I've done now, I've bought back in one share as a marker share, just to set off this stock again, to keep my eye on it. So what we're going to do, we're looking at the market right now. All EVs are looking great today. This is my actual portfolio, my actual money. As you can see, I'm up over $1,000 today, which is 3.33%. We've actually been up now consistently, and my portfolio is very much weighted in high-tech, high-risk future stocks. I love tech, I love EVs, I love space, all of this stuff. So you can see my portfolio has now been up on the day, up on the week, up on the month. It's pretty good. Despite everything is in a downturn at the moment, my portfolio is looking pretty strong. I'm very, very excited about it. Now, Polestar is an interesting EV. It's been around for a while. It's got good sales. It's got a good performance car. It looks good. I like it. Great performance. Very sort of Tesla-ish. Very expensive, but nevertheless, a good stock to be in. So what my position is going to be here, Polestar, I'm watching the stock closely now. I'm looking out for news, seeing what's going on, and I'm expecting it to drop. I'm expecting it to go under 10, and what I'll do, I'll dollar cost average. I'd like to be in this space. I like the company, I like the car, I think it's good, all the cars. As it goes down, I'll buy a few more, and I've already made some profit. I've already made 10%. That is expected, really, on a SPAC. As it merged, it went up 20%, and I could have took it at 20%, but I decided to, wait and hold, see if it would go any further. It didn't. I didn't set a stop loss. I manually sold at 10%, so I'm happy with that. I've made some money. I bought another share in now, watching to see what it does, and we'll see where this goes. But the whole EV space is looking great. Shall we have a look across the EV space right now, and I'll share with you my position. This is Polestar right now. This is my main portfolio, the Vanguard S&P, which is a big part of my portfolio. But if you look at the other EVs in my portfolio, we've got, of course, Tesla, which is my favorite. This is looking good now. I've been buying the dips. I've got 17% of my portfolio, which is 12 shares of Tesla. I've got Rivian, which is up 0.49 today. I'm happy with that. I did have several thousand at one point. Now I'm just down to 16, watching where this goes. Lucid, again, the same thing. I think I had 400 at one point. I'm now down to 20. I've made some profits. I sold it at 45. So I'm seeing a similar pattern where Polestar might go to. So we're looking at Polestar, and then we're looking at Arrival. Arrival is the new kid on the block as well for the commercial vehicles in the UK. Looks very, very interesting. So there you go. This is my position on Polestar. I'm holding it. I like the company. I like what it does. I'm excited about it. I'd like to get your thoughts and your comments below. Perhaps you could let me know what your thoughts are on Polestar. What are you doing? I will reply to everyone's comments that comment to this video. So please go below. Let me know your thoughts. Tell me where you're going with this stock. Do you have anything in it? Have you already made money on it? Did you buy it when it was GGPI? Did you sell it today on the 20% pop, or are you holding it long term? I don't see any sense really in holding it long term on day one. It seems to me to make sense to take some profits and then buy it back again. Which is exactly what I'm doing now. I'm going to start to accumulate dollar cost average and see how we go. So there we go. That's my position. I'm very excited about it. It's a great product. Remember though, many of these EV companies won't be around in 10 years time. This is the beginning of it, but for me, it's going to replace, without a doubt, all gas cars in years to come will all be phased out, and this is the future. But the legacy the legacy companies like Ford and BMW and all these companies are going to get into EVs, are already into EVs. So will these new startups survive when the legacy players start to ramp up? I think they will. Why I believe in Tesla is because they're not just Ford or BMW doing something they don't want to do. They're just doing it because everybody else started to do it. That's why I think Tesla is so different. It's not like anything else. And as long as the other EV companies that come into the space can come in like Tesla and completely innovative, the way they build cars, the way they sell cars, and completely different, they will bury the legacy cars. If the legacy cars simply build EVs because they have to and they don't want to lose revenue, I don't think they will do so well if they do things in the old-fashioned way. For those companies, they will become dinosaurs, but only time will tell. Anyway, thanks for joining in this video. Leave the comments below. Smash the like button. We'd love to get you on board as a member of our channel. Check out below and you can become a member. We trade live every day on The Day Trader with my real money, my real positions, and investors from around the world who share their real money and their real positions. If you click here, it'll take you to all the live videos. We're live all the time. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care of yourselves and each other.